Grüß euch, der Fido ist und schön, dass ihr wieder eingeschaltet habt zu Eude Zockt am Story Maker. Entschuldigung. Weiter geht's bei Telltale Games, The Walking Dead. Wir müssen ja wissen, wie es weitergeht. Bin gespannt.
Hey, Lee. I'd say I'm sorry for leaving the motel unattended, but, you know.
I'm glad you showed up when you did. If you hadn't taken that shot at Andy, we might not have gotten out of there.
Were they really killing people? For food?
Yeah, they were.
That is sick. God, just... ugh. Clementine, she doesn't know, right?
She's not stupid, Carly.
Katja managed to grab this while she was in the house. She said it was with your stuff.
Yeah. I found it while I was looking for the people who shot Mark. Do you want it?
Why don't you keep it? Sometimes it helps to have something you can document your thoughts on.
How are you doing?
I'll be fine. Just not as young as I used to be. Hun, go on ahead and give me and Lee a second. There's gonna be fallout.
For killing Lily's dad? Yeah, I would imagine so.
What do you think?
You're no hero. You destroyed 2 lives in that meat locker. Kenny, you're not a bad man, but fuck. What the hell are we gonna do now?
War alles negativ, was ich jetzt sagen kann. Was hätte ich denn sagen sollen?
Come on, Clementine. Stay close.
Lee, did you have to kill those men?
I'm sorry you had to see that, but I only did it to protect us.
Because they tried to hurt us?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, Dad. What's that noise?
Sounds like a car.
Oh god, not more strangers.
Don't shoot! We're here to help!
Ich sehe halt gar nichts irgendwie. Meine Fresse, ich sehe überhaupt nichts. Ich habe keine Ahnung, was da auf uns zukommt.
Figures.
Oh, crap. Baby, you gotta see this. It's a shitload of food and supplies back here.
Ja, geht alle dahin und
This
schaut bitte.
food could save all of us. Not all of us.
Look, we don't know if these people are dead.
If they come back, then we're just monsters who came out of the woods and ruined their lives.
This stuff isn't ours. Dad, whose car is it?
Don't worry about that, Duck. It's ours now.
It's abandoned, Ducky. Don't worry.
What if it's not? What if it's not abandoned? What if it is someone's?
We have to take this, Clementine. We need it to survive.
I'm sorry, sweetheart, but it's not about right and wrong anymore. It's about survival.
Ich möchte immer schön ehrlich sein zu der Kleinen. Das hat sie verdient.
It's locked.
No shit, I already tried that. But I heard you take the keys from up front.
Ja, mein Gott.
Supplies?
I'll take it.
Great. Maybe we'll survive this after all. Duck, why don't you carry this?
Okay.
More food in here.
Ich würde gern ein bisschen was zurücklassen.
Got a box of food here.
I'll carry it.
This hoodie looks to be about your size. Why don't you hold on to this? It might get cold.
It's not mine.
Well, think of it like you're holding on to it. You can give it back if we ever meet up with him, okay?
Okay.
Hey, there were some batteries in one of those boxes. I thought they might work in your camcorder. Here, you can have some too. For your walkie-talkie.
Batteries, huh? Think you can handle those?
You're not gonna let me live that down, are you? Oh, God. Lee, you're gonna want to see this.
Oh, shit.
Was? Die haben uns ausspioniert, die Schweine.
Jake, Bart, Linda, and all y'all fucking sickos from the save lots. They call y'all bandits, but you're fucking raping mom. Oh, darling baby, look at you. Look at you. Oh, you need a mama, sweetheart. We won't let them bandits get you, will we? No.
Okay.
Where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Sure. When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If I
Y'all
find
thinking
it,
you're
I'll
safe?
let you know.
Sitting there acting like things are the way they used to be. The dead don't kill their own. It's the living you gotta be afraid of. The people I used to call friends. The people who took... Don't worry, little girl. Bandits got their eye on that dairy. As long as they keep getting food from them, you'll be safe. I promise.
What the... Huh. Oh, wir haben gerade ein Kapitel
This
beendet.
place is done. It's time to move on. Screw it. Not like you ever listen to a damned word I say.
Is this all you got?
I told you this town is tapped. Do you have any idea what we had to do to get all that? We need to leave. Duck was asking about the farm last night. Not much phases. It's starting to add up. I need to get to the coast. Get him out of all this madness. Lily's not doing so good, huh?
You murdered her dad.
I did what I had to, and you know it. Maybe people out there got things lined up better. Better than us, at least. Could be folks who have all this shit figured out.
Do people get mad when they're scared?
Sometimes, yeah, they do.
This is crazy. I'm the one keeping this group going.
We can sort this all out, all right? We can sort this out.
I'll tell you what we need to sort out. We can't let one person fuck this up for everyone else.
Retter, David, das Bein abgehackt. Der Spieler hat sein Bein abgehackt. Ja, das habe ich gemacht. Befragung. Du und 87% der Spieler sogar bevor Danny sie erschossen hat. Du und 68% der Spieler haben versucht, ihn zu retten, geholfen, Larry zu töten. Rache. Du und 82% der Spieler nicht beide Brüder getötet. Beide sind schon Brüder umgebracht. Nein, haben wir nicht, tatsächlich. Du und 55% haben wir Vorräte mitgenommen. Nur 55% der Spieler. Ist gar nicht so viel. So. Tja, wenn ich jetzt gewusst hätte, dass die Folge so kurz wird, dann hätte ich natürlich das letzte Mal nicht einen Cut reingeschmissen. Aber ihr dürft jetzt entscheiden, spielen wir hier direkt weiter oder schmeißen wir mal schnell ein anderes Spiel in den Raum? Schreibt mir das bitte in die Kommentare, mich wäre da sehr, sehr dankbar. Mich interessiert es sehr, also wir werden es auf alle Fälle weiterspulen, weil ich doch gerne wissen möchte, ob wir, was denn noch so auf uns zukommt. Ich bin sehr gespannt. Ich habe Freude dran. Aber wenn ihr zwischendrin was anderes braucht, dann schreibt es mir einfach in die Kommentare, wie gesagt. Da dürft ihr fleißig mitentscheiden. Sollte euch das Video heute gefallen haben, lasst mir einen Daumen da, ein kostenloses Abo, aktiviert die Glocke, um kein weiteres Video mehr zu verpassen. Wir sehen uns beim nächsten Mal wieder. Und bis dahin, bleibt gesund, werdet gesund und genießt euer Leben, weil es ist Hauptsache ans 40 und Papa. Ah ja, der Fall, oder?